diversity and multilingualism. Distinguished guests, in 2007, the United Nations General Assembly, in its resolution, welcomed to be the harbinger of all the movements that were subsequently to reshape our destiny and propelled us onward to earn our own homeland. Unquote. It reaffirms the importance of linguistic diversity and multilingualism in fostering dignity, peace, and understanding.
Reaffirm the importance of linguistic and cultural diversity in fostering dignity, peace, and understanding. Thank you. See you.
তুমি বেঁচে আছো এখনো 16 কোটি বাঙালির মাঝে।
আমি জন্মেছি বাংলায়, আমি